Hey, bird. Hey y'all, Dan with the Southern Paddler Channel here. It is Saturday and today I'm on the Wheeler National Wildlife Refuge here in my hometown of Decatur. It's been a day mostly dominated by storms, thunderstorms with lightning, and so it's not been a good day to be out on the water very much. And because of this was forecasted, and so because of the forecast, normally I go and do a float trip, you know, somewhere, an outfitter or a shuttle, self-shuttle, something. But today I knew I was going to stay close to home, and it's a good thing because, you know, I got out this morning, went paddled around a little bit at Osprey Point for a couple hours, heard some thunder coming up in the distance, so hustled back, got back to my truck right as it started raining, went home, took a nap, let the rain die out, and now it's probably 5:30. And I think the rain has quit, and so I thought, well, I'll get out and do a little evening paddle, maybe catch a sunset. There's still an awful lot of clouds, but it's breaking up a little bit, you know, in the west, so might have some sunset pics. But anyway, it's still good just to be out. It's calm now that the storms have passed. Hopefully most of the wind is out. Now I'm in a sheltered area. I'm in an area called Susie Hole, and it's actually, a Susie Hole is off of Garth Slough, which is off of the Tennessee River. So it's kind of like not a log and a hole in the bottom of the sea kind of thing, I guess. Anyway, but it's mostly sheltered from the wind, and at times, depending on where it blows from, but there's some sprinkles on the water. I've got my hat if I need it. I don't think it's really going to do much. It's just about all moved out, but I'm not going to get far from my truck, so if I need to hustle back, I can. I'm just going to kind of enjoy a little more paddling, and you know, the video today, it may be short if there is one. It's deadgum spider. Now he went in my boat instead of out. Why does that happen? Anyway, yeah, I don't know what the video is going to be like, if there will even be one today. I may be talking to the camera for nothing. May not be enough to put together to make a video, who knows. But if I do, I have an intro, so there you go. All right, well, I'm going to paddle around here a little bit, and maybe depending on what the weather does or what I get into, I'll check with y'all later.